Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add hyperlink to image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation, so I click it. After a design page is created, we can go to File folder. I have two images. This is my website's logo in JPG and PNG file formats. We can make a link for the both image file formats. I will use PNG. I drag and drop into Canva design to import the image. Next, we can select the image and then go to three-dot menu and we can find link. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl-K to add the link. I click it and then we can type the hyperlink. For example, I type http:// and then cgn.com and then click empty space and then the image is add the hyperlink and then we can click done. If we want to test it, we can go to preview in full screen and then we can move the cursor to the center. This is a button. I click it. So we can go to my website. I go back to the Canva design. I press escape to escape it. And then we can click again. If we want to make further editing, we can click the pencil icon and then we can change the hyperlink or we can delete it. So this is how we can add hyperlink to image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.